In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to deal with translations. A lot of times you'll be working on an application that needs to be used in another country where a different language is spoken other than English. We could use Google Translate, but as you've probably noticed, Google Translate doesn't do a super great job when it comes to scientific texts. So it's better to have an actual human who's fluent in both languages, take your information, translate it properly, and then you can put that information in through the translation section that I'm about to show you. So obviously, we need to get into the login page by going to lapisguides.org. Login's on the top right. And I'm going to log into the Butterflies of Dashenganling, China. We've got a project that obviously needs Chinese in it. So I'm going to log in. And as usual, we've got all these options on the left-hand side. And we're going to go over to translation. On the translation screen, you've got categories. So this is like your project name. So we're going to translate one of the species descriptions today. So that's a tier 3 description. And we don't want to translate into Russian. We'd like to translate into Chinese. So you need to make sure you choose your correct language. Alright, so as you can see, we've already got some Chinese text in for some of the species, but this one here is missing its translation. So as I said, we had somebody do the translation for us, so I've got another document that I can pull that out of, and we're going to copy this section of the text, and we can just pop that in there. Make sure it looks right. I don't speak Chinese, but it looks good to me. If we need to make any changes, we can, work on the style of the font. We need to add bold or italic or, bullet points or even a hyperlink. We can do that from here. But that looks great to me. We're going to click Submit Translations. All right, successfully updated. So this has been updated. But always remember, before anything that you do, that you change or edit or add on the server can be seen by anyone on the application, you always need to click the Push Update text up in the top right. And you're good to go.